Let's be honest. Not being able to perform in bed is one of the most frustrating experiences a man can face. It's not just about the body. It hits your confidence, your relationships, and your self-worth. But here's the good news. Erectile dysfunction doesn't have to control your life. You don't need pills or risky treatments. In this video, we're uncovering 10 natural, safe, and proven ways to restore your strength, improve blood flow, and bring your confidence back, right from the comfort of your home. Welcome to Health TV, the space where real men come to learn real solutions for real problems. If you're tired of one-size-fits-all advice, and you're ready to take your health seriously, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell, and let's rebuild your confidence together. Let's start with something sweet. 1. Watermelon. But this isn't just a summertime fruit. Watermelon contains citrulline, a natural compound that improves blood circulation, especially to the lower regions. Your body converts citrulline into arginine, which boosts nitric oxide, the same way prescription erectile dysfunction drugs work. Add a few slices to your breakfast or drink a glass of fresh watermelon juice daily. You'll not only feel refreshed, you'll feel recharged where it counts. This ancient mix is more powerful than it looks. Ginger boosts blood circulation, fights inflammation, and enhances sensitivity. Honey, on the other hand, supports testosterone production and provides quick, natural energy. Together, they stimulate the reproductive system and help combat the root causes of ED. Take a teaspoon of grated ginger mixed with raw honey once or twice daily. Over time, you'll start noticing your energy and desire returning naturally. Then we have spinach and leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are loaded with magnesium, a mineral that relaxes your blood vessels and boosts blood flow throughout your body, including the penis. That increased circulation helps you get and maintain stronger erections. Plus, these greens are packed with folate, which supports healthy blood cells and hormone balance. Make leafy greens a part of your daily meals. It's an easy and powerful step toward better performance. Next is pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is rich in antioxidants that improve heart health and support blood flow. Research shows it boosts nitric oxide levels, improving erectile function and testosterone levels. Just 1 glass a day, pure, not sugary versions, can protect your blood vessels and improve your stamina in the bedroom. It's not magic. It's just nature doing its job when you feed your body the right fuel. 5. Kegel and cardio exercises. Yes, men need Kegels too. These simple exercises strengthen your pelvic floor, the muscles that control erections and ejaculation. When combined with cardio like brisk walking, jogging, or cycling, you improve both your stamina and sexual control. Start with 3 sets of 10 pelvic squeezes a day, and do 30 minutes of cardio at least 3 times a week. You'll feel stronger, more in control, and more confident in bed. Erectile dysfunction isn't always physical. Stress and anxiety play a major role. Ashwagandha, also known as Indian ginseng, is a powerful adaptogen that helps your body handle stress, balance cortisol levels, and improve testosterone. By calming your mind, it helps your body perform better. You can take it as a daily supplement, but always consult your doctor first. A calm man is a confident man, and a better lover. Testosterone is produced while you sleep. Poor sleep equals low T levels and low sexual energy. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of good sleep every night. And when you wake, don't rush into stress. Take 10 minutes to breathe deeply, stretch, or meditate. A calm, rested body is a sexually healthy one. 8. Zinc-rich foods. Zinc is a vital mineral for testosterone production. Without it, your sexual drive and performance can take a big hit. Add more eggs, avocados, bananas, pumpkin seeds, and cashews to your diet. Not only do they help balance hormones, they also support your overall energy levels. Ditch alcohol and smoking. Alcohol might make you feel relaxed at first, but it weakens your erections over time. Smoking, even worse, it damages your blood vessels and restricts blood flow. Quitting both can dramatically improve your sexual performance and health within weeks. Your future self will thank you. Then finally cut down on porn. Porn may feel harmless, but too much rewires your brain and kills your natural sexual response. If you're struggling to feel aroused with a real partner, porn may be the problem. Cut back gradually, and give your brain time to reset. You'll be amazed at how much better things get, mentally and physically. So erectile dysfunction doesn't make you less of a man, but ignoring it doesn't help either. The truth is, your body wants to heal, and these natural fixes give it the support it needs. Don't give up. Don't feel ashamed. You've got this. And every step you take toward better health gets you closer to better performance and deeper connection.